Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm now in Jacksonville, downtown. Well, I always wanted to have a walk in the city. I've been asking my colleagues and my local colleagues, and they say, why don't you go there on Saturday? Because they have like the street art walk where they set up booths selling art and food and drinks. And they also have a mini stage for the music performance. Well, yeah, so coincidentally, today is Saturday, I'm not working. So yeah, I planned today. So I take on the bus to go to downtown here just now. The music festival, the street art walk. It's a very fantastic one. The public transport here is inconvenient. It takes me 1 hour from the place where I live in Normandy to the downtown Jacksonville here, and the interval between arrival is 1 hour. So if I miss this one, I have to wait for another 1 hour for the next trip. And the fare is $1.75 per single trip, regardless of distance. So as I say, today is Saturday, and the time now is just past 12 in the afternoon. The temperature right now is just 20 degrees Celsius. Alright, let me have some debrief. I started my walking journey over there. There is where the street market art is. The street art market is under the bridge, and then I walk across just beside the river until here, and then I stop here because the bridge is closed under construction. Then I turn back, walk to the main street until here, passing over some like intersection, and then I cross over this river on the bridge. This is a very big bridge, and then come over here. This is Jacksonville downtown, and I have to say this city is very good. It's very walking friendly. Europe is good, yeah, it's very walking friendly. United States is good, very walking friendly. Southeast Asia, no, it's very hard to walk. And one fact about the Jacksonville city is this city is the largest city by land area in the contiguous United States. It's good, very lovely here, fantastic. Alright, this is as far as I could walk, and I will be going back and crossing over that bridge. That one is the main bridge. And that side, that one there is a very old naval ship, which has now become a museum. I've just finished having my lunch, and the check is $31.12. And because of the American tipping culture, so I left additional $6 for them. And today is a sunny day, and the sun is the heat. It's like burning the skin, but the weather is good. The temperature is good, so just continue walking.
Buddy.
Okay, so my plan is I plan to go back to the beach, following the beach, walking, but somehow I reached a dead end, and then I met with a passerby and we have a little chat. But now it's 4 o'clock. Yes, 4:04, and it's time for me to get back home. So conclusion, Jacksonville is a very great city. I could have a round walk in the morning until now in the evening, crossing over the bridge. So where can I find a place where I can walk across the river over a bridge? So this one is a very wonderful experience. So that's the end of this video. If you have anything to say, please feel free to leave it down on the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. It's still in US though, still in US.